Hello, well, the storm has now eventually passed here in Wales, but it did cause some disruption, of course, and that was evident here on Clive Street in the middle of Grangetown, where some scaffolding was actually toppled over by the weather and landed on a resident's car. The scaffolding has now since been moved away, as well as the car itself. Only debris and remains are what's left of the scaffolding. The poor weather, of course, had impacts across all of the country. Here's some images here from Western Ireland. Another image now from Llangranog. The sea really wasn't holding back there. And then the gusts were also seen on the beaches of Swansea, where some young ladies ventured out into the high winds to go for a walk. That's something I certainly wouldn't like to do. But as I said, the winds now have died down, but wind speeds did reach some pretty high levels indeed. The Isle of Wight getting up to 88 miles per hour, but in parts of Wales, in Aberporth in Dyfed, 74 miles per hour, and in Aberdaron in Gwynedd up to a whopping 77 miles per hour as well. Of course, the yellow weather warning was issued by the Met Office after Storm Atia was the first named storm of the season, which also caused the Llamau event, the big sleep out they had arranged at the Cardiff Castle, to cut short as well. So it did cause some disruption across South Wales. And of course, as I mentioned, the storm has now moved on, but the weather will remain rather unsettled over the next few days. I'll do my best to keep you updated. Bye-bye.